So we're out here right now evaluating this chimney. Customer calls in stating that she needs a couple pieces of siding replaced on her chimney. Turns out that up here this is all open right here, so water's been getting in behind the siding, traveling down. Behind this is all brick because the house is originally brick, so they covered it with siding. So all these pieces of strapping have rotted, and they are now breaking away from brick. And the problem even stems as far up on the roof, which we will get up there and we can go over that whole ordeal. So looking over the whole thing, this whole cap is kind of not done right. They just threw metal over top the corners, threw flashing here. Water's going right behind that down. What we're gonna do here, what I'm up here to do right now, is to get some measurements of the entire chimney, the length times the width. We're gonna be able to keep this corner post. A couple of the corner posts look all right. So we're gonna wanna make sure we get a cap that will go over it. Go down over this about 3-4 inches, which will then cover everything up, so then you don't have to worry about this.
Basically what we're doing is we were trying to find the main leak that's up there, up in the corner there, that was causing most of the damage up here. And of course we're replacing the cap. So what's been replaced far, we replaced all the lath that were rotted out. So we put new lath on and we're re-supporting everything.